Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are continuing with our chakra series and moving up to the heart chakra. This chakra is the color green and the element of air. And this chakra is very important because it holds the balance between loving yourself and loving others. It's also the gateway to all the other higher chakras. So let's get started. Today we're going to be making a kiwi smoothie to balance our heart chakra, and kiwis are a really great ingredient because they are packed full of vitamin C, so this really helps boost your immune system. So today I have 4 kiwis, which I've taken all their skin off of, but first I'm going to add in a half a cup of ice to my blender, and now I'll add in my kiwis. Next, I have a half cup of fresh raspberries. If you can't find fresh raspberries, feel free to use frozen. And now we also have a half a cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. I always recommend freshly squeezing the ingredients because it's so much better for your body to have things that are fresh. And the last thing I'm adding in is optional, and it's spirulina powder. Hopefully I said that right. It is a type of algae that's a really good superfood, and so you can add anywhere from half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, but today I'm going to start with half a teaspoon. This also gives a really great color to the drink because as it's our green heart chakra, we want it to be green. So now it's time to give it a blend. So it didn't turn out as green as I expected it to. A bit more of a brownish color, but kind of similar to my shirt. So, you know, it's all a shade of green is what I'm going with. But it does taste delicious. You really get that kiwi, and it's so tasty and sweet. And here we have our beautiful finished heart chakra smoothie. It smells so good and it tastes even better. And it's full of fresh, healthy ingredients, which I completely love. So please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think in the comments down below. And if you like this series, keep watching because up next, we're heading to the throat chakra. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.